All right, we have my childhood PS2 Slim here. I was going to tear it apart, break it down, and clean the fan, check for dust, blow it all out, check the laser, clean that all up. It's never been opened in 20 years, so I thought it would be a good time to check it out and make sure everything's good. Okay, you are going to flip it over, and we're going to have to pop these 6 pieces off here and expose the screws underneath. I just have a little scalpel here just to get under and pop it up. We'll get those out and expose them. Okay, we exposed all 6 screws there. They are Phillips heads. There's nothing in these 2 here. So I just have an assortment here. Going to grab one and pop that off. You will have to slit this sticker right here because that's where the seam is. Okay, now that those are all out, this should just pop right off. I just lift it up. You got the side out here. I'm just going to work my way around. Take that off lightly. And there we have it. At first glance, honestly, it does not look that bad. So there you have it, pretty straightforward. If you ever had to get in there, if your fan was bad, dusty, or you wanted to clean it out, you just have 3 screws here and it pops right out. And you would just pop it out of that terminal. Mine is not that bad, so I'll just leave it for now. And same with the eye over here. I've seen a lot with a bunch of gunk around there. Usually I just take a Q-tip with 90% alcohol and just kind of lightly dab around that. So the only thing I did was just cleaned up a little dust around the eye here. I just had a little on top. Other than that, I'm going to close it back up, but very user-friendly, not hard at all. I'm going to go ahead and flip that over and screw those 6 screws in the same way I took it out. I'm going to put it back. Just make sure it's all clipped in up here, going across before you start screwing them in. You can see there's a little grooves up there, but it's all in now, same down the sides. And you're all set. Hope that helped. It was very simple. Don't be afraid to try it yourself. It's the only way you'll learn. Thanks for watching.